You are standing on the beach. Your feet are washed by icy water and the sand is dancing between your toes. You're wearing simple clothes. It's drenched by salty air and a little sticky on your body. It looks like it's early in the morning because there is no one around you on the beach and the sun is just rising. You are looking to the right, to the left, trying to orient yourself. Which way to go? It looks the same on the both sides. Dune, sand, strip of wet algae, and the sea. Look at the waves, how strong and tall they are. Just go with the flow, follow the coast. You can collect pebbles. The wind is blowing against you and ruffles your hair. Set your face to the wind, spread your arms widely and down. Breathe in, breathe out. The water washes away your worries and problems that bothered you. Wind is taking them away far above the ocean, where they cluster into heavy black clouds. Finally, you are glad that they are gone. You shout at them with relief so that they rain away and move on. A few steps and you became a seagull. Look at your shiny feathers. Jump a few times, take off. At first you are afraid of heights, so you fly above the surface, just out of curiosity about what your whole reflection looks like. Then you start to fly higher and higher until you have an overview of everything. It's starting to rain from the black clouds. You're watching the turbulent surface, reminiscent of aluminum foil. Strong storm breaks out, and you compete with the drops and fly through the foamy water, driven forward by the surf. Your speckled body has mingled with the sound of the sea. You don't know where your body starts and where it ends. You are trying to catch your breath, and finally you let go and let yourself be swayed by the water and wind. You are slowly getting calmer with the sea. Now you are floating on the sea surface and you let the water gently caress your body. The waves have carried you all the way to the beach. You sink your heavy body into the dry, warm sand. It feels as if the rainstorm never happened. The sunshine is warm, you fall asleep and have a dream.